This plot contains references to farting and burping. Viewer discretion advised.
This restaurant has really good food.
Yes, it does.
You know, I think I'm going to like it here, in Patagonia.
You will, Chrissy.
Oh.
Okay. Who's responsible for that?
I swear it wasn't me, Jessica.
I think I know who. Watch this, Gertie. Here's another. Oops.
That's a good one, Winnie.
Yes, sir?
Besides, you and your friend wearing pajamas. Why are you burping and farting in my establishment?
Because I want to.
Arrgh. You both need to leave the premises.
No problem. But would you like to see a trick?
Okay. What trick are we talking about?
My lighter should be here. Oops.
I should have known.
You and George stay here. I have to retrieve your grandmother.
No problem, Dad.
Booga booga boo. Ouch!
I came to retrieve my mom.
Right this way, Paul. My son's coming to get me.
But what about me, Winnie?
Sorry. You're on your own.
Thanks a lot, Winnie.
You came to bail me out.
Yes! But one question, why are you in containment?
Because my farts stunk so much, it overpowered the entire force.
Really?
Oh, I'm in trouble again, huh?
What do you think, Mom?